Tired of living in condo apartment, want to move in a bigger space, enjoy family life, but still want to live within the city of Toronto? What choice do we have? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. In Best Buy of this week, I'm introducing you one pre-construction project of freehold houses. Okay, let's take a look at this property. I'm going to introduce you project Mila. So Mila is going to be located at the intersection of Lawrence and Midland. This is quite center of Scarborough. So let's take a look at some of the key features of this project. This location is quite center in Scarborough. So you will have David and Mary Thomson Collegiate Institute nearby, which is just 1 minute walk. So for sure, if this is going to be for investment, you probably will have lots of applicants from this college. And you also have parks nearby. So 5 minutes to Thomson Memorial Park. So if you like green environment, you're going to be in the middle of it. A highlight of this project is that it's very close to Scarborough Town Centre. So you've probably been there, and Scarborough Town Centre is a very big, comprehensive shopping mall. You've got restaurants, lots of shops and retailers, entertainment facilities, and also lots of youngsters live in that area because the UTSC campus is also nearby. It's also very popular among the university students. We are also very close to a lot of other amenities such as the Civic Center and library. In terms of transportation, you're only 400 meters away from Lawrence East Station. And if you drive in just 7 minutes, you get access to Highway 401. And 15 minutes, you will hit Down Valley Parkway, and you can go down south to downtown Toronto. Okay, so let's take a look at the price. The reason I recommend this project is I think in today's market, this project is quite affordable. So take a look at these freehold townhomes. We have different size varying from 1,787 square feet to almost 2,000. So take this one, for example, Rosswood, 1,800. So this is in terms of townhome, this is on the high side, right? So 3 bedroom, 2 washroom, and also 2 powder room, 1 car garage. It's only calling at 1.1 million. I believe you will agree with me that this is quite affordable in today's market. So before we go, I want to show you just one of the floor plans so you have a sense on how they look like. So we all know in today's market that when we try to build really affordable freehold properties, they narrow down the size of the land they're using to control the cost. So this is one of the example. We don't have a too wide facade. However, we built 3 floors. So this is the basement. And in terms of first floor, you will have 2 options. The buyers can choose one of those. For example, this is one of the options. So you have part of it, you have the laundry room and 1 bath in first floor, and the other half of it, it's a garage. So you do have 1 spot indoor garage. So the second floor is the main area. I have seen lots of these new style townhomes. So for this floor, it's quite open concept. The washroom is in the middle, and on the both sides are open concept. One is living room, the other is sitting area. So you have quite a wide area for all the family members to gather together, watch TV, drink coffee together, or just welcome your guest. On the third floor will be your bedroom area. You have 1 primary master bedroom on the end, and the other side you have 2 bedrooms, and the master bedroom will have an ensuite washroom. The other 2 bedroom will share 1. So this way, the 2 bedrooms and not normally occupied by the kids, they won't disturb their parents too much. So they each have their own privacy. So I think it's a quite functional floor plan. Particularly, I think if you have seen some of these new type townhomes, you will really like the second floor, the main floor usage when everybody can meet together and enjoy a very open area. So this project is inviting people to hand in the application. So if you're interested in this project, please take the chance to talk to us as soon as possible. So I can help you to lock the unit. But if this one is not up to your liking, don't worry, I can customize the property search for you. So not only you can receive the feed properties from MLS, but also some great deal off-market properties. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Bye.